Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make projector at home. For that you will need one shoebox, a cutter, a mobile pen, or you can take any mobile stand, a tape dispenser, some lenses. We will check them. This one is concave, this one is convex, and another one is convex. So we have to take convex lens. So this lens is better for making projector. So we will take this, and another lens we keep aside. So let's start. You can see this. First we have to take some paper. This one is sheet and ribbon for decoration. Now let's start. So first we have to take our cardboard, means our shoebox, and take that lens and hold on the box. So as you see that I had done hole. We had cutted more big size hole rather than the lens. So we have to cut the I had cut one book cover and stick the lens on it. You can see this. With the help I had stick that, as you can see. So now this part we were going to stick on our shoebox. As you can see, this way we have to stick it. As you see, I had sticked it. Now we were going to cover it. I had used graph paper for making it decorative. You can see this. Now another side also we have to do like this. You can see this I had done on another side also. Now we were going to cover it with our white page. So you can see that. Now side. You can see this. I had covered. So body is ready. So now I am going to decorate it with the help of ribbon. So you can see this ribbon. Now we were going to design it. You can see this. I had designed it. Now we open the box and put the one smooth cover on it. So I am going to take one book cover for that. You can see this. I had put it. If you don't want to put, you can. You have only choice to put it. Now we were going to hold on the box for making the stand. So I had done the hole. As you can see this. Now we were going to put the pen inside the box, and it will like this. So now it's over. So we were going to test it now, but not now. First you can see this. It ready fully. As you can see, all sides, inside like this. We will put their mobile. So now test it. You can see this, the result came out. So hope you like this video. So like, share, comment and subscribe. We will meet you in our next video with new topic.